Everybody see the Outlander movie?
Cold Spring Gap over there. The big
Beautiful. North Carolina was in there.
Cold Spring Gap.
That's small. Smaller than ours, no?
Maybe. A little.
Very nice. Nice, oh. I'm gonna post this after the cut. Beautiful. Want to capture this moment.
Can't tell by how old the place is. Well, maybe what, 50 years old. Hot in here.
Too hot, and then this morning's too cold.
It's cold this morning. I done fed the dogs, washed the dishes. I folded my clothes, towels, but I left your clothes on the bed. You know, you give me hell if I fold yours. There's no clouds.
It's very nice. Oh, I like it. No. Abi na ko og nindot lang siya tan-awon pero naa din siya meaning. Mahimo di mag-snow di ay sa sunod adlaw. Kung ingon ani, if it's like that there's a snow.
Yeah.
So meaning cold di ay, coming ang cold. Pero nindot man siya, uy. Sige, ato lang yung i-capture kay nindot jud, oh. Wow, look at that. So beautiful.
No clouds.
Nice mag-ayo ni oy. I just want to capture the beautiful sky. That's all. It's so beautiful. My God, Han, one day we'll eat in a Ramsey store, Han, in casino, Han. The view, Han, is so beautiful.
You make a lot of money and you can take me out to eat over there.
Maybe in my first salary. I just want to capture the moment of the sun. Of the So they have a snow in the mountain.
Yeah, it's a lot colder up there than down here. Get up around 4,000 feet. It's freezing. Big mountains over here, we're getting 7 from.
that's
see
the
all that.
view. Yeah, that's the view. You see, my God, so beautiful.
We could ride up there and see the snow.
Now? Yeah, yeah. Stop somewhere there and do it.
Oh, where's the stop? Oh, rest area.
Capturing the beautiful, beautiful moment in the road. Look at the clouds.
High peaks.
You're not the only state that has a lot of mountain like this.
Yeah.
You're the one that's prettiest mountain.
Yeah, the largest mountains on the East Coast. North Carolina does. But the biggest mountains is Wyoming.
Hala, kanay sana uy nag-snow. Beautiful North Carolina. Wow. There's ice in the clouds. Otherwise, he can't work because of the road. And he said, where did you live? It's a hanging dog.